Structures of the heart from an external view on the posterior side. So before we begin identifying structures on the posterior side, we have to reorient ourselves with the heart. This side is the right side. This would be the left side. This is superior, and this is inferior. Structures that you can identify from a posterior view. You should be able to see the superior vena cava, the inferior vena cava. You should be able to see the aorta, and pulmonary veins. So here's a left pulmonary vein, and this would be a right pulmonary vein.